now? I'm young, yet I look old. I don't know what I've done to that man. I don't know. Biko, my friend. If you know anybody, Biko, call the person for me. Help me. Help me, Biko, please. Hey.
Yeah, I think I know one DPO like that. Let me still check if I still have it.
DPO?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, thank God.
Wow. What kind of marriage is this one?
I don't know. You see John? You see that John? I will kill him. John will suffer in this life. He will suffer.
What is it? What is it? Eh?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know who is after me. Eh? The second princess was asking me, where did you get your charms from?
Charm kwa? For what now?
Mama, I don't know. Tell me, what would I possibly be doing with charms? Eh? And now the other prince is back. And it happened to be the guy that I used to know when I was in the city that was asking me to be his lover. But I refused.
What?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I don't just know what is going on. I don't know. I didn't even know what I was thinking anymore. So in the midst of the whole chaos, I just had to run away.
God, please save my daughter. Save my daughter. Choma,
Mama.
What if the king asks after you?
Mama, they should tell him I've gone home. Oh.
Yeah.
I cannot kill myself.
Gone home to where? No. You won't do that.
Sister, which one is they should tell him you have gone home? You cannot stay here. You have to go back to the palace and go and walk. Oh. And we need this money. Oh. We need this money.
Are you not grown up? Can't you go and do something for yourself?
Choma.
Tying black hair tie every time.
The one I'm doing for Mama at home is not work. And the black hair tie, did you buy me another one?
There.
Mama, talk to her. Oh.
Mba, you are talking to her.
Me, I'm saying the one I can see.
Okay.
You need to take this job back.
Choma.
What is this? Why would you let that girl leave this palace? Why?
Father, really, there's no point beating about the bush. That is the culprit. Let him tell us what he did to the girl in this palace.
I did not do anything to her.
Liar.
I did not.
You are lying. Now, stop it.
Do not call me a liar. Do not call me a liar.
What came you are in? Can you feel me?
You're going to find it hard.
Can you feel me?
Quiet! You're a liar, okay?
Both of you should not let me get mad at you. The only thing I ever asked you to help me do, none of you could do it. All you could do is to send the girl out of the palace. Why?
Your Majesty, please, I am sorry. We are sorry. Personally, I will make sure she comes back to this palace. Forgive us.
You all know my health condition. All you could do is to attempt to make it worse. I don't want to see any of you, until that girl returns to this palace.
Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you, but only what they want is what they stand to do.
Go to where? Where do you want to take me to? I'm one saying you.
Hey, woman, keep quiet.
Shut up! Shut up!
What will you do?
Chima, kill him! Let him in! Chima, behead this idiot!
Don't you?
Afam, cannot do anything. Cannot do anything.
Again, I swear.
Do not do anything. Do not do anything.
Quiet! You are still for trouble. I shall deal with you. I will deal with you. I'm telling you. I will deal with you. Your hand was here.
Are you sure we all are safe in this palace?
Oh, sorry. What actually happened?
Look at this guy. Are you asking us? Were you not at the gate the time she left?
Well, she couldn't stop. Wait, did she steal?
We don't know. Listen, I think she was caught sleeping with the king.
Hey, shut up!
This is serious.
How could you say a thing like that? Are you sure?
I'm not sure, but I know it has to do with the king.
What is it? Why are you running?
There is war in the palace.
War?
They are fighting though.
They are fighting upstairs.
And it's all because of Choma.
Choma again. Hey!
Shout! They will hear you. People can stay here. I'm off. I want to go and see them.
Serious fight though.
Choma again.
Why you? You ask me. Then the time I get, I don't understand again. Oh my God.
Uche. These people should just join me and tell Uche thank you. Uche, I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. At least my brother has been released. I can smile again.
Wow, thank God. What are friends for? But babe, come to think of it, that your husband needs to be taught a thorough lesson. Who does he think you are? For Christ's sake, babe. You are a graduate. You are beautiful. Doesn't you know how many men that are running after them just to have you? Oh, wow. I didn't know that's what marriage is all about.
Wait, Ebube, you mean your brother has been released?
That's why I said you should tell Uche thank you. He's been released. He's been released.
Oh, my husband. He will never try such rubbish with you. He will never try it, because if he dares it, I will so deal with him. I will so deal with him and his entire village that at the mention of my name, he will tremble. They never born that man.
Baby, they dull. Make this man not go kill you. God forbid. You need to act fast.
But seriously, some men are beasts. Most men, not even some, they are beasts. I mean, can you imagine how he treated this woman? What could she have done to be treated this way?
Babe, jealousy. He's just being scared that probably she might just leave him someday for a better man. So that's why he's bent on trying to disfigure this fine face. Babe, I don't know why you're taking it easy on him. You better take decision fast before it's too late.
I know what to hear stories. I know what to do to him. I know what to do.
Babe, get him arrested. Make him sign undertaking. Or better still, detain him for a day or two so that he can just sleep there. Who cares?
As for me, I will arrange some boys or even pay some military men to deal with him, to teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry. And when he sees a woman, he will never lay his filthy hands on her again.
For me, no need for that. I will grant Pepe. Not just Pepe, a real one. And when he is asleep, I will pour it on his private parts and face. Then, watch him dance the dance of the spirit. You know what I mean?
It's okay, don't worry. Calm down. All of you should calm down. Don't worry. You don't know me, Uche, you know better now. It's marriage, Now marriage calm me down, Me, I'm not well. See, that's why when I look at him, I just pity him. Because if I deal with him, see, he will tremble indeed. If I deal with that man, his people will not recognize him. I'm just happy my brother is out of cell. If he gets to the village, he will recruit boys. Bring them to the city. John will suffer. We will suffer John. We will suffer, John. Hey. People should calm down. Don't worry. You are talking your own, Pepe. This one, when you confirm my own, when you confirm what I will do, you will bow. You don't know me.
Wait, I know now.
Not sister, I have to react. You need to ask before he kills you.
Now.
Uche, you know. You trust my brother.
Fire.
I'm not going to take this life alone now. I'm not going to take this life. This is nonsense. This is not right. Too much in store from our family. Mom, it's not right.
Chima, calm down. They must stay here and plan out something. They can't win that girl over me. I don't want the king to come there and see us fighting.
No, Mom. Mom, no. Afam slapped me, Mom. I won't take it. God knows I won't take this from him. This war has started. I have a deadly gift for Afam. I will not take it, Mom. I won't take it.
Can you please calm down? Huh? Trust me, your mother. I will not be alive and see them win that girl over me. They can't have that girl. Not now, not ever.
Mom, you pushed me into this in the first place. If you ask me, all of this is unnecessary. Honestly, that girl is way out of my league. Why am I doing this?
I am sorry, but you must do it. You have to do it. Besides, I don't want you to let them know that that girl is not in your league, as you said now. Huh? We must get that girl on our side. Besides, we must do everything to get the king's favor. We must win his favor. That is what this whole game is all about.
Okay, Mom. For us to win, we have to be the first to get that girl back. If those people get there before us, that girl will value them and see us as our enemies. So we have to do it.
Who is she to be causing problem in this family? Where is she?
Hey.
If I'm to say that you have some chance, and that is it.
Hey! Don't talk rubbish about her. Don't you ever. Do you understand? Hold your tongue. Mom, I love that girl. And I can kill for her sake. I can.
No one will kill anyone. Whatever they want, we are going to give to them. All I need from you now is to try and get her back first.
I don't know her house.
What? You don't know her house? How come you said you knew her before?
It was the day I went to the hostels to see my student tenant. That was the day I met her.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Oh, please, excuse me. Please, I'm sorry for distracting you, okay?
That's fine.
My tire got punctured here. I can't seem to find any help. Please, can you show me down the road?
It's like you don't know your whereabouts here.
No, not at all. I went to one of the hostels around here, so I think I've missed my way. I don't really know this place.
Try. Sorry. Hey, I don't really know where you can fix your tire around here. The road is very bad.
Oh.
People take that turn around there. Because this road is very bad. And I don't know where you can fix your tire.
Oh gosh, what do I do now?
Okay.
What do I do?
Don't worry. There's one mechanic workshop down there, but it's still very far. Ayo's workshop is down there.
Okay, thank you so much. Please, can you take me to that place, please?
Sir, you cannot leave your car here because we have all these boys that their head is not correct.
Around here?
Yes.
Wow. What do I do now?
Better still, let me take it to him.
Okay.
Don't worry. When he's done, he'll bring it back to you, sir. Don't worry.
If
This fine girl is suited for that matter. Just carry this style just like that. Wow. Easy.
Okay, Regrouping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is the girl?
The girl don't go out now. Student now. She don't tire for school.
I would have loved to see her to say thank you. Oh, nice girl.
No, Choma. Choma na correct girl. Oh. That girl makes sense. Well.
Oh, is Choma her name?
Yes, sir.
Good.
She dey pass my workshop every day. Go school.
Okay, go on. Fix the tire.
When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the
Hey, Oga, I don't finish.
Ah, you're done?
Yes.
Okay.
His responsibility.
Okay. Just have this.
Boss, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Just keep the change, eh?
Okay, thank you, sir.
I would love to see that girl again. Yeah? Just tell her that I would love to see her.
Okay, sir.
Let me give you my card. Ayo, how are you?
I did my boss. God bless you for that day.
No problem. No problem. Did you see her?
I see him when she dey go market. I give am the card.
You give am the card? But she no call me. Oh. Okay, did you find out where she stays?
Bros, I no get chance, so no vex.
Okay, no problem.
If you go fit wait for her, she will soon pass here.
Ifunanya sikwarike, ifunanya tekwanomilio. Yeah, osibiki wepezi ifunanya. Osibiki wepezi. Yeah. Osibiki wepezi. Esifunanya nopera ntoba.
Ayo.
Hey, boss. Hey.
Come on. I don't feel it again. But if she comes around, I tell her that I came to look for her, that I desperately want to see her again.
I mean, this is strange, oh. She normally pass here every day, but I don't know what happened today.
But you know what you go do for me? Help me find out where she stays. Oh?
I go do am.
But make I find you something now.
Boss. Thank you, boss.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Now me Oga Kwata here. Now me all the people where they here. Now me Oga. You know the.
Who's this? Who? Choma. Choma, is that really you? Wow. Nice to hear from you again. Choma, please, I would love to see you again. Maybe tomorrow. Would that be okay by you? Okay, I'm going to pick you up at 5 p.m. Okay. Thank you so much. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay.
Good day.
Good day. How are you?
Fine. You look charming. Are you looking for someone?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, can I help you to call her?
Oh, never mind. She'll soon be here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you okay? All right.
Okay.
Shall we?
Sure.
Love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave. Hey, if unanya sikwarike, if unanya tekwanomilio, yeah, osibiki wetezi funanya. Osibiki wetezi, yeah. Osibiki wetezi, esi funanya no ferarun tota oh oh. Osibiki wetezi, manichota ya, nadaka yego sikia oh. Osibiki wetezi, hey. When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you. But only what they want is what they stand to gain. True love is free. True love is free.
Thank you.
I had a great time.
The pleasure is all mine. I so much enjoyed your company. Yeah.
Take care.
Choma, I just want to thank you for the other time. You know, I didn't have the chance to appreciate you. You're such a good person.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Can I at least give you a call?
Please. I wouldn't want you to take this too far. I am not ready for any relationship right now. I only accepted to go out with you because you insisted. This will not happen again. And my exam starts on Monday. I would appreciate it if you do not push your luck. Because I cannot afford any distraction. Thank you. I wouldn't want you to take this too far. I am not ready for any relationship right now. I only accepted to go out with you because you insisted. this will not happen again.
Excuse me.
Hi, handsome.
Hi. How are you?
I thought I told you not to come here again. What do you want? Why are you here?
I'm sorry, I'm just checking up on you.
Well, as you can see, I'm fine. Can you go now? Thank you.
Someone says I love you, he must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you.
Afam. I have never seen you in a mood like this over a woman. Who is this girl?
Guy, I've seen my wife. Yes. You know, I've not actually seen my own self in this kind of mood over a woman before. Can't you see that God is trying to tell me something?
God is trying to tell you something. Then go ahead. You have the money. Just go ahead and pin the girl down.
No, I'm not talking about pinning her down, using her and dump her, no. I'm talking about getting to make her my wife.
Your wife? Yes. Then do it. You're capable. Go ahead.
Guy, that girl is giving me hard nuts. She doesn't want me. But you know, if she agrees to marry me, if she agrees today, I will marry her next week.
Afam, is that how you love this girl? Well, I advise you wait and be patient. Can you take me to this girl? Make I prescoot her head for you. And say easy.
Take yourself away from that place. Don't even go near. Yes, I won't even mind that you're my friend. I will just take your life. Eh? Yes, I'm serious. And be careful.
You go poof me because of babe.
Don't even call her babe. She is my wife. This one is different. She's different.
Family.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah, I can see that.
Come on.
Boss. Some more. Okay, boss. And some more lipo. Is that will change my guy's mood? Now he need a pass out for her. Make the mood change.
Oh, Allah, boss.
You understand, right?
Good. You have to fight for her. Fight for what you have always wanted. Fight and win her love before someone else does.
No one will ever take her away from me. No one will do that. I will not allow that. Rather, we die.
Good. Fight for her. You have my support. I am solidly behind you.
You have my support too.
I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Hey, can somebody tell me what I have done wrong? Oh, I have no intention of hurting anybody. I, from the left and the right, all I feel is bitterness, tears and sorrow is the order of the day. And somebody tell me what have I done to deserve this punishment? Sometimes...
Joy!
Mama. Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, Joy. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
My queen, you are here. Welcome.
Thank you.
Greetings, Lolo.
Greetings, how are you?
What is happening?
We came to see Choma.
Choma? Yes. Choma! Choma!
Mama!
Chi? My daughter, I came to see... Choma, come now. I came to see her.
Choma!
My queen.
Choma! Choma!
Choma! Choma!
Choma! Choma!
My queen. She went to Choma's house with Prince Chima's mother.
Did you hear that? I told you.
Mom, we have to go. Anna, do you know her place?
Yes, my prince.
Then,
Anna,
let's
come with us. Amanda, you have to stay back.
Okay, Mom.
With a pure heart, I render myself. I do my job to please everybody. What have I done? Oh, what have I done? Everybody's against me. I never stop to wonder why.
You should have gone with Mom. That shows how responsible you can be to her.
To what end? What for? You know I'm doing this because of that. You know. That girl is not my class.
Do you want Afam to win you? Is he smarter than you?
No, you can't say that. You know you cannot say that.
Oh, bros. I saw them leaving the palace. They might have gone to Choma's place and that will give you an edge over you.
No, he cannot have an edge over me. Relax. Okay? Relax. Let them go get the girl. Right? Watch me. Let them do the dirty job of bringing her back to the palace and then watch me win this girl over. Listen. This on a very good day is a no-brainer. It's just that sometimes it's really hard to go all the way from where I am down to her class. It's a problem. It's hard. It's hard, but I'll get it done. All right, relax.
What's happened this thing? And I'll got class here. Yeah? If I just go this thing, you want to win me over. Go this thing.
I'm not going back. I'm not going back again. Never.
Choma, listen to me. I am your mother. Do you know what would have made the queen to leave the palace? To come look for a commoner like you? Think. Biko.
Choma, have I ever been rude to you? In fact, all this while you've been in the palace, have I ever done something wrong to you? Why are you putting me down like this? I beg you in God's name, for the sake of peace and love, come back with us to the palace. Please.
Choma, I'm begging you as a friend. Please. The king wants to see you. You know you're his favorite. So it would be wise if you follow us back to the palace. Please.
Please, my daughter, please.
The thing is, I don't understand what is going on. I don't understand what is going on.
And that shouldn't bother you. Because whatever that is going on is for your good. Okay? In fact, I promise you that one day you will know all this and you will thank me. So can we go now? Please.
Where is Choma?
She's at the back.
Let me get her like this.
Yeah.
Joy.
My queen.
Where's Choma?
She'll be out soon.
She's
here, my queen.
What are you doing here? When your son made her to leave, you carry your miserable body to come here again? Pretend you're a good woman you are not.
Will you shut your trap? Will you respect yourself?
Respect yourself. Now get away.
Yes. What's going on?
Mama, everything is okay. Nothing is going on. Huh? Choma, come on, let's go now.
Go.
Yes, I'm already going with them.
Yes, I was already living with her. So what are you doing here? Anna, I command you to leave that bag alone. Now!
Okay. Both of you leave my bag. I can carry it.
Choma, come on, enter my car, let's go.
Which car? Choma, I was already living with you. Come, let's go to the palace. So what is going on here? What are you people doing here?
I should be asking you. Allow her to do what is in her mind. How come? Rubbish.
My queens, my prince, please, can I go to the palace myself? Because obviously I cannot go in any of these cars.
Please. Okay, no problem. It's alright if that is what you want. Alright? But make it fast because the king is already waiting for you. Alright? So take your time. We're expecting you. Excuse me. Mama, I'll see you.
Thank you, my queen.
Right.
From one allegation to the other, things are not in order. I don't seem to understand anything anymore.
You take the bag.
Let me carry it now.
My prince, please, you all should go. I'm tired of this fighting. If you continue with this fight, I will stay back in my mother's house.
No. Mom, it's okay. Just do your wish, okay? Mom, let's go.
I'll see you soon.
Somebody tell me, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong?
No, this is a good thing. So everybody's fighting over that. It's a very good thing.
Choma, what is going on?
I don't know. I do not know.
Tears and sorrows, the other day. Can somebody tell me what have I done to deserve this punishment? Sometimes I feel like
These two places, you better start knowing from now.
my job.
Yeah! Hey! Emeka! So you mean you went to sell? Nyani ganga? Hey! Look at me.
This is called Mbamo Onyuku. Imagine me.
Hey!
Imagine me enter police.
Hey!
Because I gave my sister to John, say, John, marry my sister. John called police for me. He called police for me. You see why I hate city? You see why I hate city? Everybody be telling me, Emeka, pack your things, go to the city.
They are not friendly.
You see why I hate city police? They are not friendly. They will always surprise you. Before I know it, the other one was holding pistol. Gone. They wanted to shoot me. And shoot you. Small thing, I have died.
Hey.
The other one is I hate. You see the other one, that tall one. I hate it. I hate him. That one with big head. With big head. You see that big head? That is big head. No problem. Hey.
Very, very good.
Yeah, thank you.
But why didn't you tell us? That's it.
How will I tell you?
Hey.
How will I know that he will plan for me? He will plan police for me. You see why I hate city people? But John, I am coming back because the way I came back now, I want us to plan, regroup, and form a force.
Correct.
And form a force. By the time we move, I ain't got John Kaja. I ain't got Kaja. He will fall like a fence.
Emeka,
that your in-law need to be taught a lesson. Can you imagine? We are going to teach him a very big lesson.
But Anuka, please stop adding fuel to fire.
So I should wait until he kill my friend.
In case you can't sleep. See, in case you can't sleep, you don't know what you are talking about. You see that man? You see John? We are going to teach him what they teach in Takara people. Kindergarten. That's what the lesson we are going to teach him is what they teach in Takara people.
Emeka, let me tell you that you have guys, big guys in this village. We are going to teach that guy.
By the time he will see your face, he will die.
Hey! Emeka, let me tell you. What I'm going to do to that guy. What I'm going to... let me keep it in my mind. Let me not just say it out.
Don't say it though. You know they say wall have ears.
Yes.
Before the wall will carry it and go and tell you.
When are we going to the city?
Let us drink our drink and plan. That is why I'm back.
Okay.
Because I have you boys.
Emeka, you see why I've been begging you, been talking to you, been coming close to you as my friend. I know I've been doing this. You know, I've been begging you for, if you agree, to give me your sister in marriage. I will never call police for you. Bet me. You are friends now. Bet me.
You are mad. The person I gave my sister in marriage call police for me. You will call me for me. Take your drink and go home.
What did you do that for? Why did you drag the bag?
And you? Why did you drag the bag? You should have left it for me.
Oh, I see. You did that so you can appear as the good maid, right? Listen, don't ever try it again.
Don't. And if I do? What will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do? Hey, look at this one. Oh. So, if I'm worried about Choma, you want me to be worried about you too? Gewa, I should be worried about you. Nonsense.
You now have the audacity to warn me. You dare warn me.
Babe, calm down. It hasn't gotten to this, okay? Just calm down. I don't want us to fight. Honestly, I don't want to fight. Calm down. Choma, you're welcome.
What is going on?
Honestly, I should be asking you girls. Please, did any of you hear anything about me?
Yes, Your Excellency. I was there with my President General. Yes. Please do me a favor. Call them to order. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. No, I'm not feeling too fine, but I am okay. I can make it to the meeting. All right. Oh, thank you, Your Excellency. You know that I'm one of your best kings. Yes. I will do something about it. I will do something. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Who is it?
It's me, Neka.
I said I don't want to see anybody until Choma comes back to this palace.
She's back to the palace, Your Majesty.
Yes, Father, she has returned to the palace. But there's something important I need to tell you.
What is it?
Father, you remember that I gave you my word that I would marry this girl to make you happy, Father. But Afam is making things difficult. He is the reason she left this palace in the first place, Father. I think that you need to talk to him.
Afam wants to marry the girl as well?
Yes, Your Majesty. And Chima here is your first son. So if there's anything you want to share, Chima should take first as a first son.
I see.
someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility.
Snake, that is what you are. Your plans in this palace will not work. I know your type. Opportunist, retired prostitute.
Stop! Princess.
Stop what? You will beat me? What can you do? Tell me! You cannot fool us. You have bewitched my father. But I promise you one thing. You will surely regret this. Mark my word. You can go ahead and claim innocence as much as you think, but you cannot fool me. You corny low-life gold digger. You will surely regret this. Maybe not now, but definitely you will regret it.
What have I done? Oh, what have I done? Can somebody tell me why? Oh, I'm sure
This is why I don't know what to come back.
Can somebody tell me what I have done?
So, for your mind now, you have police connection, right?
Shame on you. Shame on the husband that locked up his in-law. John, Emeka is the father that I don't have. So if my father were to be alive, you will lock him up too. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That is what you gain from stubbornness. Yes, and for information, woman, until you start to obey and respect me in this house, you will never know peace. Never.
Okay. The thing that is coming to you is bigger than what you're experiencing.
Are you threatening me now?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you that what is coming to you is bigger than this.
Do you want me to break your neck?
Break my neck?
Yes.
Okay, break. Break my neck! Break it! Oh, you think my brother is gone? He's not gone, no. When he comes back, he will bring your house down. Touch me! Lemaka, touch me! Touch me!
I can see you have plans for me.
I don't have plans for you. God has plans for you. Because you were a useless man.
Useless woman! Idiot.
Amanda, why would you do a thing like that? Why would you talk to her in that manner?
Mom, I'm not happy. Oh yes, I'm not happy with that stupid useless girl. What should you do?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Why must you talk to her in that manner? Are you stupid? Do you want to spoil this for me? Huh? Do you know what I and Mom suffered to bring her back?
Is that why you slapped me, Afam?
It's alright.
Stop rubbish.
Don't do that. I'm scolding her for what he did. Stop.
Are you not? Mom, I will not have anybody come between me and Choma. Do you understand? I will not take that. I'm not even doing this because of what's that said. I'm doing it because of the love I have for Choma. I love her so much. Do you understand? Be careful.
Afam, please.
Be careful.
Afam, it's alright, please. It's alright. It's alright. Amanda, please. Amanda, that's alright. It's okay, please. Come on.
to come back here.
It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. See why you have to come closer to me. That girl is ill-mannered. Stop going to her. See that useless Amanda. She insulted her even the way things are in this palace.
It's fine. I'm here. I'll handle this, okay? I want you to stop crying. Alright, ignore her. Listen, that girl is ill-mannered. Doesn't know anything. Calm down. We'll take care of you. You know, go. Stop crying, stop crying. You know what? Come with me. Come. No, stop crying. Come.
Where are you taking her to? Choma, come with me.
Are you out of your mind? How dare you? What is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Why would you and your family cause that girl so much pain? Why?
Who are you talking to? You're mad. Very mad.
You're asking for trouble. Afam. Ina Chombo. Afam Ina Chombo. You're asking for trouble. You're asking for trouble. And very soon you'll get what you're asking for. Very soon.
What have I done? Can somebody tell me? Oh, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done?
You have not seen anything yet. Yes. Until you start to respect and obey me in this house as your husband, you'll never have peace. Go ahead. Keep listening to your single friends that tells you what to do.
John, if I don't have peace in this house, you will never have peace in this house.
No problem. No problem. But I will keep beating you. You keep receiving the beating of your life until you leave my house. And as for your brother, tell him to come. I'm waiting for him. Tell him to bring his warriors down to my house. I'm waiting for him. Useless woman.
I just regret marrying you. I regret marrying you. Cause me unto the day I married you. Cause me unto the day I married you, John. Cause me unto that day. Cause me unto that day.
What is it? You called me. Why are you crying? Can you just talk to me?
It's John. John wants to kill me. John wants to kill me. John wants to kill me.
Oh no, why? When is all this going to stop? For crying out loud, what's all this?
I don't know.
You, what are you doing in the house? Look, if you don't want to kill you, get out of my house.
John, what is it?
John, when will you stop all this? Why are you hitting your wife? For Christ's sake, she's your wife! She's your wife!
So you brought your organizer friend to come and advise me. Right? I said now, get up!
John, what are you doing?
Leave my house!
John, what is
Leave my house!
John, what is
Leave my house! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate!
See, leave my house. You're very wicked though. Better change. Stop beating her. Change.
If I see you here again, I will kill you.
Babe, don't be like that now, babe. That's my friend. That's my friend. It's not fair.
Give me her back. Look, if you don't want to join her.
How can you be holding me out of my girlfriend's house? You're very wicked.
If you don't want to join her, leave here. Leave her side. Leave my house. Come, Musa, come here.
Just imagine.
The next time she comes here and you open this gate, open the gate for this idiot, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Don't blame you, John. Inform me. You lifted me up out of your house.
I said, push her away. Push her away. Push her idiot. Now, go inside. Go inside. Musa, sir, don't open that gate for anybody. Okay? Okay.
I don't want to lose my job. What's wrong with you?
Madam, sorry. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam. Madam, I beg.
What's that, Oga? It's yours.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hey, babe, hold on, man.
Jesus. What is this? Why this fight?
Father, your son, Afam, said he would punch me. Umowa, you don't have respect for your elder brother. You'll punch me. Huh. Ah, you have it coming. You have it coming. Afam, I will kill you. I will kill you. I'm telling you.
Then you die first. Try it.
I'll die first.
You kill me. Eh? You kill me.
You want us to try?
Hey, oh my God. See, let me tell you. Do you know when and where I met this girl? Or do you think I'm dragging her with you because of what that said? What is wrong with you? I've known this girl a long time ago, about months ago.
Liar!
Neka, keep quiet.
Oh, my king, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Just that your son here, Chima, has even broken up with the girl he had wanted to marry. All because of this Choma girl. Because he found her so good and attractive. And also to please you, his father. My king, please, for once, let your first son, Chima, please himself. Let him do what he wants. I beg you, my king.
In your dream.
Oh, shut up.
In your dreams, that will never happen.
Calm down, everyone. Calm down. Tim and Afam, I am happy that both of you wants to make me really happy. But has any of you attempted to develop a relationship with the girl?
Yes, I've done that. I have. When, Afam?
Ajumo.
How? What joy do you derive from lying? Why are you such a liar?
I'm not that. I know this girl a long time ago.
Lie!
Even before she was born.
You are a pathological liar. That's what you are.
Stop calling me.
You're a liar. How did you know her? Don't tell us. How did you know her? Oh, you know what? I have it. You knew her from her mother's womb.
Exactly.
That's it.
Yes.
Ah! Afam, Father, you see your son. Hey, Fugonia.
I'm still seated here because of our father. You will return to your chambers. I will talk to the girl later, so I will know who she wants amongst the two of you. Both of you cannot marry her.
Father, before you begin to speak to me, I advise that you talk to your son. Tell him to stop lying, Afam. Lying is not part of it.
Okay, brother.
In your dream, you were born in your dream.
My son loves her so much. It's not because of what you said. They've met in the city.
Were you there when they met?
My son told me. He told me.
It's okay. I will find out. Sorry I put you all in this. But I am happy in a way. Because my dream is about to come to pass. I want you to do this for me. I want you to be my daughter-in-law. My sons. I want both of you to know that I am happy in a way. Not because we are fighting, but that I am going to be the father-in-law to that maiden. I have always liked her. And I felt it's not bad for me to ask any of my sons to marry her.
Well, Father, if you'll allow me, I would suggest that since it is clear enough that both of your sons are interested in this said maiden, that you do the right thing, Father.
Which is?
That you ask your youngest son here to step down for your senior son, who is clearly the heir apparent to the throne, Father. That's what I'll suggest.
I will not do that. Over my dead body.
Then be ready to die, Afam. Because not in this lifetime will I allow you to take Choma. It won't happen.
Afam,